Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 Star. So in this video I'll be solving the problem presents for Cheffina. So Chef has fallen in love with Cheffina and he wants to buy n gifts for her. On reaching the gift shop, Chef got to know that following two things. The cost of each gift is 1 coin. On the purchase of every fourth gift, Chef gets the fifth gift free of cost. So, what is the minimum number of coins that chef will require in order to come out of the shop carrying n gifts? So, okay, so it is interesting. I'll be telling you on the board, don't worry. So, first, let's take input. We have test cases. So, let's take test case input. How many test cases we have in a t variable, and for every test case, we'll call a function solve. So, for every test case, what we have is we have n as the number of gifts that chef needs to uh, give to a chefina. So they have given two examples. First example is wherein n is 5. So let me take you to the board. So in first example n is 5. So what they're saying is actually there is a shop and for one gift it's 1 rupees coin or 1 coins, okay, and if you try to buy 4 gifts, so your fifth gift will be free. So basically what they're saying is, let's say we have a gift, okay, so this is the 4 gifts that you'll be buying, but in a bundle you'll be getting 5 gifts because one gift you're getting free. So yeah, they're given 5 gifts he needs to give it to Cheffina. So like he will basically buy 1 2 3 4 gifts he'll buy, and the fifth gift whatever he's getting is free of cost. So he will be purchasing only 4 coins in order to purchase these 4 gifts, and since it is free of cost, so definitely minimum number of coins you will be spending to buy the gifts, to buy n gifts. So in this case 4 is the answer. I think you guys are getting what is 4, because one gift is, we are getting free of cost, so that's why he will optimally buy only 4 gifts such that he is getting 5 gifts, and the 5 gifts he need to give to Cheffina. So which is our answer in this case? So our answer is 4. So let's say he want to gift 4 gifts now. So in order to gift 4, again he'll move to the shop, and 1 coin he'll give, he'll make purchase of 1 gift. 1 more coin he'll give, he'll make purchase of second gift. So this is second gift, 1 coin is giving. 1 more coin he'll give, he'll make purchase of third gift. Since he wants to gift 4, right, so this is not a valid. 1 more coin he need to spend. So when he spends 1 more coin, he'll be getting the 4th gift, but additionally 1 more gift he'll be getting, because free of cost he'll be getting 1 gift, which is 5th cost, and requires 0 coin. So by spending 4 coins he got 5 gifts, but he need to give only 4 gifts. So only these 4 gifts he'll be giving to Cheffina. So this one is free of cost, so he'll not be taking. You can think of this way. So how do you solve this mathematically? So in this case our answer is also 4. So mathematically how do you solve? So whenever what gift you require, how many gifts you require, will give in n, right? So this many gifts you will have to give it to Cheffina. So whatever gifts you have, if you divide that by 5, so that many pack of gifts basically you will be getting. So let me take one more example and explain you. Let's say he wants to give 8 gifts to Cheffina. So in that case, this is one bundle you can think of, and 5 are there, 6, no 7, okay. So ideally this is 6th gift, this is 7th gift, and this is 8th gift. Is it looking? Yeah. So it is 8 gifts. So he'll be spending how many coins? 4 plus 3, only 7 coins he'll be spending. In this case our answer is 7. So how you are making of this thing? So you should make how many gifts you want. So that gift should be a pack of 5. So when you divide number of gifts is 5, it is like you are making 1 packet of 5 gifts, in which you will be spending only 4 coins, and one will be free of cost. So that's why I'll be dividing it by 5. So this will give you how many packs you need. How many packs of 5 gifts, in which 4 gifts are purchased by giving coin and fifth one is free. So now your question is like how many coins you'll be spending basically, right? So if you try to think of that coins will be, since we are making pack of 5, right? Pack of 5 gifts as one pack, so in which only 4 coins you're spending. So this many packs you have, so you will be doing 4 into packs. 4 into packs will give you how many packs you have. Let's say in this case you have only one pack, that is other case I'll be telling you. So you have only one pack, which is like in this case 8, right? 8 by 5 if you do, this will give you 1 is answer. So 1 into 4 is 4. Okay, so you have spent only 4 coins in order to buy this pack. But in this case, since n is 8, so this is not our answer. Our answer should be 7. So how do you do this? Again, one more time. So since you are making 5 packs, and if there is any, other gifts which are not included in the pack, let's say there were 13 gifts you need to buy. So 5 gifts will be buying, 4 will be buying, fifth one will be in this one, free of cost. So 5 5 3 you can write. So basically in this case he have purchased 4 gifts, in this case he have purchased 4 gifts, and fifth one was free, fifth one was free, so total 10 we have. So this is like 2 packs of 5 gifts are there. Now remaining 3 is there, right, which is not a multiple of 5. So he will be spending all coins in order to buy this. So your coins will be 4 into packs plus your n modulo 5, it will be the answer. So if you try to put in this way, n is 8, modulo 5 will give you 3, and which is 7, which is our answer. I think you guys are getting. Let me try to take one more example and put in this formula and explain you, so that it will be clear. Now let's say n is something 17, right? When n is 17, so let's say we have 1 2 3 4 5 gifts are there. Again 1 2 3 4 5 gifts we have. 1 2 3 4 5. How many gifts are there? Now 15 is it's happened. No, section 17. Okay, so 17 gifts are there. So he'll make purchase of these 4 using 4 coins, and this one will be free. Again he'll be making purchase of these 4 coins, gifts using 4 coins, and this one will be free. Same thing he'll be doing here using 4 coins. So how many ideally packs are there? 3 packs are there of 5 gifts. So if you try to do, packs will be, let me denote it as by, it will be n by 5. What is n here? N is 17. 17 by 5, it will give you 3. So how many packs you have purchased? 3 packs you have purchased. Now how many coins you require? Let me denote it as C. It is basically 4 into packs plus n modulo 5, right? This part is like, I'll be telling you, we have 2 coins, so he'll be purchasing using 1 coin, which is basically 2 coins. So 4 into packs will be, we have packs of 3, it will be 12 plus 17 modulo 5 is giving you 2, which is correct. So your answer is 14. So he'll be spending 14 coins, and you are saying visually also, like 4 coins he'll be spending here, he'll be spending 2 coins here. So it is like 12 plus 2 14, which is our answer. So I think you guys got to know how to solve this and the formula derivation. So your packs will be n by 5, and your coins will be 4 into packs plus n modulo 5, and then we'll have to output coins. Let's try to run it, and we should expect 4, 4 which you are getting. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it got submitted. So I think you guys got to know how to solve it. So in this way you could have solved the problem. Basically, since 4 gifts when you are purchasing, you are getting the fifth one as free of cost. So basically you have to find how many 5 gifts you are getting, and for that 5 gifts you will be spending only 4 coins. So we are doing 4 into packs, and remaining whatever coins, I mean gifts are there, apart from not in the pack, so that is like n modulo 5, and that will be adding to your answer, because that many coins you'll be spending, and modular coins you will be spending to in order to buy the remaining gifts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.